Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Manning Music from Quarantine. What a time to be alive, right? And I really believe that. You know, even in the face of a global pandemic and economic shutdown, we're still able to work from home. We're still able to check our emails and keep businesses going mostly. I've got my laptop, my work laptop sitting on the kitchen table. That's my office right now. Education is still allowed to keep going. We're either teaching our kids from home, or teachers are having accessibility to their class through Zoom and other social constructs online and apps that we have. And I think that's magnificent, because look, there was a time in history that this kind of thing would be lights out. We'd be lost. And that's the human ingenuity, and that's the time that we live in. Is that we're able to keep on moving forward with a whole lot, and I think that's truly magnificent. And our entertainers are getting on board too. Talk show hosts, comedians, actors, musicians, all getting out and getting online and streaming things from their living rooms and coming up with ways to keep diverting and distracting us from our miasma of quarantine and keeping the entertainment going, and that's magnificent. Bringing the joy and the entertainment to us. And I'm here to do my part for what little it can be here for Manning Music. Now, another fellow that I want to tell you about, one of my closest friends and favorite people on this planet, Yves Ortegon. He's, again, like I said, one of my favorite people. And you wouldn't know it by our comments that we leave on each other's social media, but that's just kind of how our love affair works. And but he is currently doing a chefing show. It's called Dinner with Yves, and it's him streaming live and teaching as he's cooking this beautiful meal every Thursday and Sundays at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock Thursday, 5 o'clock Sunday, and he will email you the list of ingredients that you need before a few days before, so that you can get those put together. Grocery delivery, or if you brave the shopping yourself. And I will make sure and have a link on my Facebook page immediately after I post this video, but so that you can find it and get on the email list, so that he can get you involved. But it's a fantastic thing. And he starts you from the very first vegetable that you cut all the way to the final garnish on the plate, and walks you through the video that I watched. It was less than an hour, and it was beautiful. It was a bronzed fish that had this Asian slaw salad with edamame and other vegetables and spices, and it was just beautiful. And looked delicious. I was about to reach through my phone and grab it myself if I could, if only. But anyways, check this out. It's Dinner with Yves, and like I said, I'll provide that link once I get this video up. And so now it's my turn to do my part. So along with waiting, I get in a lot of sound checks. Waiting for rehearsal to start, waiting for the show to start, what have you. And I'm definitely guilty of being the guy that doodles on his instrument when he probably shouldn't. But truth be told, some creativity comes out of that. And so here's a riff that I came up with a short while back. And the drummer that was on stage with me, he really picked up the groove with me too, and I hope you do too. It's a much more laid back little ditty, but it's been one of my favorite things that I've revisited multiple times here lately. So I hope you enjoy it. keep practicing.